Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert a row and a column in Google Sheet. Now it's a very easy process. So just simply open your Google Sheet and first let me explain you what a column and a row is. The vertical blue highlighted line that you can see right over here is called a column and the horizontal highlighted blue line is a row. If you ever want to add a column, just simply highlight a single column over here, then right click on that column. Now you will have the option of inserting one column to the left hand side, meaning if you want to add a column between B and C over here, or just simply insert a new column on the right hand side, meaning between C and D. So it's totally up to you. So let's say I want to add a column between B and C. So it's gonna be insert one column left, and that will insert a column in the left hand side, and it goes same for the row as well. So if you want to add a row between anything, again highlight, right click, then insert row above or below. So above means above 5. So above means between 4 and 5, and below means between 5 and 6. So just simply choose which one you want, and then a row will be added, as you can see right over here. Now the deleting part is also the same. Highlight the newly added row, then right click, and then click on delete column. Then again for the row, highlight the row, then right click, then delete. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.